Welcome to this meditation where you will discover calm and grounded energy to navigate the challenges you are facing. Feeling overwhelmed can be a heavy burden. It's like carrying a weight that's too much to bear. You might feel like you are drowning in responsibilities, tasks, or emotions. Remember, it's okay to feel this way. It doesn't mean you are failing or not capable. It simply means you need a moment to pause, breathe, and recharge. Let's take this time together and connect with your breath and stabilize your mind. Allow yourself to settle in, getting comfortable and cozy, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Inhale deeply, saying, "I breathe in calmness." Hold your breath, saying, "I am present." Exhale slowly, saying, "I release all worry." Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, saying, "I breathe in calmness." Hold your breath, saying, "I am present." Exhale slowly, saying, "I release all worry." Inhale deeply, saying, "I breathe in calmness." Hold your breath, saying, "I am present." Exhale slowly, saying, "I release all worry." As you breathe, imagine roots growing down from the base of your spine, deep into the earth. With each inhale, feel fresh calmness entering your body. With each exhale, feel any tension or stress leaving your body. Breathe in, feeling fresh calmness entering your body. Exhale, feel any tension or stress melting away. Now bring your awareness to your body, starting from your toes. Relax your feet. Let your legs relax. Relax tension around your hips and back. Allow your shoulders to relax. Let your arms soften. Relax around your neck. Soften the tension around your eyes. Relax your jaw. Soften your entire face. And as you breathe, release any physical tension or discomfort as you mentally scan through your entire body. Allow yourself to let go and simply be present. Keep letting go. Breathe in. Just let go. Offer kindness to yourself just as you are. Repeat after me, allowing the words to sink in. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am doing the best I can. I am doing the best I can. I am doing the best I can. I am worthy of calm and clarity. I am worthy of calm and clarity. I am worthy of calm and clarity. Remember, you are not alone in feeling overwhelmed. We all experience it at times. You are strong, capable, and deserving of peace. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the calmness spread throughout your body. When you are ready, Start to invite some gentle movements and slowly open your eyes and take this sense of peace with you into your day. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you need it. If this meditation was a pleasant experience for you, please leave a comment, give the video a like, and share the link with someone who needs it. I am releasing new meditation videos every week. By subscribing to the Zen Soul Balance channel, you are showing support, and we are so grateful. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.